Good day, everyone. Today, I wanted to share with you guys a spreadsheet that I use for all my clients, REISift clients. Basically, I've seen there's a lot of people that comes to me, like my clients. They come to me usually, and I see each one of them always have a different system and a different way according to their understanding to Tyler Austin videos. I've seen someone who's doing the campaigns attempts in the dialer himself. So there is like attempt one, attempt two, attempt three campaigns in the dialer, which was wrong. At the same time, he was close. Another guy was doing it differently using a notes. I don't know how, but he did it. So what I'm showing you right now is the best possible way you can implement um, Tyler's system. Basically, it can be more organized. So this is basically the sheet that I use for all my clients. Um, Here you can see we have the CC attempts, the cold calling from 1 to 5. You can even have more if you want. The SMS attempts from 1 to 5. The DM attempts from 1 to 5. Then the last thing after they go through all the marketing channels is the exhausted. And then maybe you can like skip trace them again and see who else who will become go no go and all this stuff. So let me quickly explain to you what are the letters means so you can be able to understand it and use it in your own sheet. So the ticker, we use the ticker is, for example, we have, you see the base and the niches, right? And I have it in a priority. So you want to see the base basically would be something that's either a vexation or a normal list. For example, probates, vacants, stacked, equity, tax delinquent, that's all in base. So the ticker will be B as for base. Of course, the niches will be N as for niche. The ID, that's something for cold tools, just ignore it. Last updated is the date that you updated the row in the sheet. The market, let's say you have two different markets. I will make this one Florida. So obviously you're gonna make all of them Florida. Like that, like this. Preset is the preset name in your area shift. So let's say you have stacked, it's called stacked in area shift, and vacant, equity, probates, I don't know, tax delinquent. That's the preset. In area shift, this has to be the same. The C is for clean, as for the clean data in area shift. The I is for incomplete, as for the incomplete data in area shift. This can be like 2K or whatever. This can be like 100. S is for skip traced. How many people are skip traced? You check that from RSF, the parameters in the bottom. Not skip traced, the same parameter, but it's not. So it can be 0 or something. Skip traced, no numbers, part 1. Skip trace, no number twice. You have to put when you update the data with the skip tracing numbers, make sure to add a tag for it. So if you skip trace it in two different websites, you can put the tags and see which one have been skip traced twice, but numbers no. You get me? So this will be whatever, 0, 0. This is for the deep prospecting. If you have anything that's like in deep prospecting, you want to deep prospect them. No contact, they are usually the people that have never been contacted. They will not they will not include any of the tags you see here. So they're literally zero contact. Here is the campaign attempt. So each time you send a campaign to Code Tools, to Xencall, whatever, uh, you're gonna send it with a tag CC attempt one. This is the tag, by the way. So CC attempt one. Let's say you're sending the 200 or the mean the 123 skip trace data here. You're gonna send it in the first attempt, and then when it's done on the dialer, you're gonna send it again after you of course update the status. It's very important you guys update the status of the leads of the prospects in your REISift from the dialer. The people that have been lead, that have been wrong number, you have to update those so you don't mark it to the same guys again. So let's say the number you finished attempt one and it was 123. Attempt two automatically will be lower than the attempt one because people have been contacted and some of them has answered and they got a dispo. So let's say instead of 123, it would be 110, for example. And it keeps going like the all the way to 5. And then after that, you can send an SMS to see if they maybe gonna respond through the SMS. And then the last thing is the direct mail. Some people you like to do both of them in the same time, so you're gonna put the same number in both of the columns, basically. All right. And basically that's it. That's I think that's the best way to do a sensei flow, like in the sheet, and have it organized, and you know where is your good data going, basically. Here is also a list of the tags that we use, so you guys can use it. Take a good look. You see the name. You want to put the tags and always use the same tags. Do not use the O2 add tags. I don't like them. Just use your own tags that you're gonna be familiar with. Have it organized like that, in case the client want to see, in case you want to see it or your VA want to see it. Usually, I put that for the clients. My VAs they already know all this stuff. So that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. I have 1 year experience in RSIFT, so pretty sure I can be able to answer your questions. Well, hopefully. Have a good day and have a wonderful weekend.